Good afternoon, my name is Sarah and this is
Eleanor.
And we have come to Hardwick Hall during the Easter holidays. It is a beautiful sunny day and I thought, well, we better get out and get in some sunshine. We thought we'd come and see what was on offer for the Easter holidays at Hardwick. We're going to keep this short because I'm currently kneeling in a bed of nettles and that's starting to hurt. So come and join us on our grand day out. So we have William today and we came and did our intro over here because there's all these cows with calves. So we thought we'd just bring William over to have a look at them. Yeah, moo William, moo. I wonder if the cows know how lucky they are to have such a view. So the courtyard is an absolute hive of activity today with the shop and the cafe, and over here there's a pink gazebo which is the start of the Easter trail, which Eleanor is already asking if we can do. So I guess we'll be doing the Easter trail then. Eleanor has just taken off her shoes to do the first activity. I just thought I'd show you William's magnificent bunny ears. So the first trail item is a barefoot trail around activity number 1. Activity number 1, the barefoot walk. Take off your shoes and feel with your feet. Come on then.
Does it hurt? Yeah.
Yeah.
Stand on it.
That's it. Good boy.
Stand on the stones. Stand on that stone. Way. This one.
Oh, that stone felt nice.
Now this is a bit slippery.
Oh.
You're doing it. You did it. You did the hard bit. And on the sticks.
That's it.
Yay! Yay! You did it. You did. Did it. Come on, you did it. Anyone?
And he's off. Activity number 2 is an Easter egg roll. Egg rolling was once a popular Easter tradition. See what routes you can build with our chutes and supports. And I've had to contain William, much to his disgust, because he just went straight in and picked up one of the chutes. So you can build your own rally, basically. Activity number 6, a really nice muddy one, is the mud kitchen, which I remember from last year actually. What are you making, Eleanor?
I'm making some food for a party.
Okay.
For Elizabeth in party.
Well, that looks absolutely divine. Yum yum. Mud, my favourite. William is just having the best time in the mud kitchen. So basically, a boy and mud and a hole to dig. What more can a 2-year-old want? And as a mother, I'm questioning why I put William in grey trousers today. Completely forgot about the mud kitchen. Although they had the mud kitchen last year and I thought they might have had something different this year. Activity number 9 is a egg and spoon race, which Eleanor's just gone off and done on her own. So I'll let her have a practice and then we can race together. Okay, so it's happening. It's the Eleanor and Sarah race. Okay, here's
2, 1, go.
Oh, she's dropped her egg. She's dropped her egg.
And a drop.
And she's dropped it again. Where do we go from here? Do we just turn around and go back?
No, we turn around and go back.
Okay. It's a good job Eleanor's not got a real egg because I think she'd have broken it. Activity number 10, Jolly Jousting. Calling all night to grab your lances and charge into our jousting challenge. Oh, she's going for speed over accuracy. Activity number 8, Rest in a nest. Have a game of tic-tac-toe as you relax in our Easter nest.
We're going to be playing tic-tac-toe in my house. We're going to have a cup of tea as well.
Oh, nice.
But my house isn't that good because it's got mushrooms as my stools.
Okay, so here we go.
I'm pink and Mummy is yellow.
Greeny yellowy. Okay. Ah, how'd that happen? Oh, I wasn't concentrating. Right, let's move on. One of the other activities over here is a maypole, which is really interesting because maypoles are hard, really hard activities. So after watching some children having some fun, Eleanor has now decided to join in. Happy days. Wonder how long she'll last.
Riddle me this. Can you find and solve our 3 riddles hidden in the herb garden?
Okay, 3 riddles. Are you any good at riddles, Eleanor?
No.
Okay, this will be good. Lead the way.
Mummy, I made this. The house is bright for all to see, with windows tall as they can be, more glass than the wall. People say, which hall was built this clever way?
What could it be, Eleanor? A house is bright for all to see, with windows tall as they can be, more glass than wall, people say. Which hall was built this clever way? Any ideas, Eleanor?
Hardwick Hall.
I would agree. Because why?
Because it's at Hardwick Hall.
That's very.
And Hardwick Hall has a really good hall in it.
But it's also tall, lots and lots of windows.
And that has got lots of windows and it's tall.
Yeah.
Upon my head, but flowers trail behind instead. I jump and twirl and spin to you. My cape is full of blossoms too. Who am I?
Ooh, that's a good one, isn't it?
Thank you, darling.
I wear no crown upon my head, but flowers trail behind instead. I jump and twirl and spin for you. My cape is full of blossoms too. Who am I? 3 adults have just looked at riddle number 2, and we've not yet solved that one. So you'll have to let me know in the comments if you come up with an answer for that one. So we've just come to riddle 3.
Yellow trumpets in the ground. In the springtime gardens I am found. Bright and cheerful in the sun. What flower tells us spring's begun?
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Yellow trumpets in the ground in springtime. What's the yellow flowers, Evie? Daffodils.
Daffodils! Yeah, do you get it, Eleanor? Look at the flower behind you. Can you see the daffodils?
And they've got the yellow trumpets.
They come up when it's spring.
Bright and cheerful.
Or if it's really, really warm.
Yeah.
We are still stuck on number 2. We're torn between something like the Maypole or April Fool. Or maybe it's possible that there's some more information about spring that we've not yet looked at. Eleanor's disappeared off into the bushes.
Look what it leads to.
Firm foundations. Can you use the colourful blocks to recreate your own Hardwick Hall?
Let's get one in the middle.
So you can have one here.
We are having a quick break. We are almost finished the trail, but they've got some deck chairs out in the gardens, so we're just enjoying the spring sun. It's actually really calming with the birds singing. The only thing that's making it a little bit unsettled, night night, is William. Let's show you. So William is just sitting over there. I think he's picking on the hint that we are lying back. He's just said night night to us.
Night night. Gigi. Gold winner.
Eleanor, what have you just done?
I went inside of the house and saw the Harry Potter wand shop.
There's a Harry Potter wand shop? What?
That was closed up, but it was one of the shops where Harry Potter went in and went and get a wand in the first movie.
I don't want to say that Eleanor's not quite telling the truth. I feel that I'm pretty certain that Ollivanders was not used for here. If you're a fan of Harry Potter and the Harry Potter movies, Hardwick Hall was used as Malfoy Manor in the Deathly Hallows movie. With its
No, but there was a dining hall, like the big tables in Harry Potter, where they ate from.
There is a scene that they did. I think that they did film in there.
And the wand shop is in there. It is, but you're not allowed to go in the actual place. There's a bit of glass there.
The hall is now closed, so unfortunately they just let Eleanor in just to have a little peep on the downstairs. So I know there's a lot of swords on the walls.
There is. Mummy!
So I'll have to perhaps pop back another time to investigate. Oh my goodness me! William
Is causing chaos.
he is being very loud.
Number 5, we finally found it. Flowering Fool. Help us weave our flowers fools. Spring
Cape.
cape by pegging one on one of our handmade blossoms.
Okay, I think we have to go into this room here. Constellation bloom in orchards of April skies. The stars blossom. Simon Armitage blossoms. Peg a homemade flower. Sorry. Peg a homemade blossom onto our flowering fool's cape. All flowers are lovingly made by our Hardwick Makers team. So I would suggest that this is the answer to riddle number 2, because we thought something to do with spring, flowers and capes. Do you remember the riddle?
I pegged mine there.
Excellent.
Let's have a look at the dead ladybirds.
I don't want to look at the dead ladybirds, Eleanor.
What about the real? We've done our Easter trail, so we're going to go get our egg now.
Are you going to share it, Eleanor? Being as I did the riddle part. We have finished the trail, Eleanor.
I'm now going to eat my Easter egg.
Are you going to eat it all on your own?
No.
Who are you going to share it with?
Mummy, me, William and Daddy.
You can share it with Daddy? Okay. Good luck, Daddy, because I suspect this egg will not be in existence by the time we are finished here.
That's
That's the egg. How's the chocolate egg, Eleanor? Happy days.
Hello.
Hello. Well, I would say that our day out is coming to an end, although Eleanor and William are still very happily playing in the mud kitchen. I think even William has actually sampled some of the mud kitchen today, but you know what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Eleanor, how would you rate our day?
100 million stars.
100 million stars. I think that's a perfect sign of sometimes just getting away from home, getting away from the TV and getting in the fresh air and being given such fun activities. I think the kids particularly enjoyed the jousting. That was great fun to watch. Just watching William trying to have a go of it himself was magic. So yes, Hardwick Hall in spring. I can thoroughly recommend that. Hopefully we'll try and get to some other hopefully we'll try and get some other places during the Easter holidays, but for now I think it's time to sign off.
Thank you for joining us on our grand day out, and like and subscribe and leave a comment.
There you go. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you so much for joining us on our grand day out, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.